So hello everyone, my name is Shubhodip Paul and I am currently doing BTech from Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. Today I am going to present my presentation regarding the internship from Webstack Academy about online food ordering project. This project was developed during my internship as part of my learning in full stack web development using MERN Stack. So this internship was conducted at Webstack Academy from 3rd March to 19th April about full stack web development. During this internship I worked on designing and developing a complete food ordering web application which helped me gain practical exposure to real world development. The main goal of this internship was to understand the concept of full stack web development, to learn and implement the MERN Stack technologies, to build a real world app from the scratch, and improve my problem solving debugging skill. Full stack web development involves working on both the front end and back end of a web application. The front end is the user interface that user interact with, such as such as web pages and buttons, the UI. The backend handles the server logic, database operation, and APIs. In this project, I work on both front-end and back-end components. For developing this project, I use MERN Stack, which consists of MongoDB, which is a database, then Express.js, lightweight backend framework for Node.js, which is server-side logic, React.js, which is used to design the user interface, and Node.js, which is used as runtime environment for backend development. This stack is widely used for modern web applications. So my project is an online food ordering website. The main purpose of this application is to allow the user to browse restaurants' food items, add them to cart, and place order online. Uh, the objectives of this project are to design a user-friendly ordering interface, to implement user authentication and secure login, and allow user to add food items to cart and place order. The project objectives. The technologies used in project includes React.js for front-end development, Node.js and Express for back-end development. MongoDB is just used for database management. Additionally, we use Visual Studio Code, Git, and Postman where we use during development. Future of this project. The key features of this application are user registration and logging functionality, viewing available food items restaurant, adding food items to cart and placing order. In the implementation phase, I created the front end using React components. The backend APIs were developed using Express. MongoDB was used to store user data and order details. The front end and backend were conducted using HTTP requests. During the development of this project, I faced several challenges. Some of the main challenges were handling API errors, managing user authentication, and connecting the front end with the backend. Designing a responsive and user-friendly interface was also challenging. To overcome this challenge, I referred to official documentation and I debugged the code step by step, tested the APIs using tools like Postman, and improved my understanding of React and backend development. So now I giving my project demo. First of all, start my VS Code. Change directory to backend. And npm start for starting frontend. Npm run. This is the home page of our project. Currently, this is the home page of my application. Here we can see the list of available restaurants. I add some restaurants just like this. This is some These are some famous restaurants from Kolkata. So this is my profile. We can edit profile just like this. We can sort the restaurant by pure veg, filtering it through all. Haldiram is the only veg among them. So we can search restaurant just like this. Here is KFC. Ordering food. There are so much items. I add to cart just like this. The cart value updated. Then it is showing to. Now click on cart. The total summary is 568. Checkout. Here is the test mode open. We can select address just like this. Any number for developer. This is the card number and place my order. The order successfully placed. Go to my orders. Here you can see this order I place now. The order status is processing. My previous orders are shown just like this. This has been delivered. Actually, I updated in MongoDB. So here, Data Explorer. Yes, here are the food items and restaurants. Then orders. This order currently processing, but I need to show it delivered. update it, refresh, and go to orders. Now this is also deleted. For admin panel, I need to change the user type, change to admin, updating, then reload. Here we have deleted option for restaurants because we are now admin. We can add restaurant also by this. Just like I add something, just like XYZ, XYZ hotel address, something like this. And then put the image for anything. Copy the image address, paste it here, and create. It created. You want to delete, then just click on this. Now we add some menus, just like this. I have added three menus: chicken biryani, mutton biryani, aloo biryani. We add item here. Just click on item, select menu item. Here we have only one biryani. So I add veg biryani or something else, just like veg biryani. Price say 210. Here we have AI description mode using Grow. Stock 13 image. We have okay, something. Copy the image address. Now paste it here and add. Hit add. Now we want to delete this restaurant we have created now. Then simply click delete and click OK. Restaurant deleted. It is the admin panel. Now we go back to user, reload. Now this is user profile. Right, it added. We also have login key button. Just let me show. Here are login, new user, some name, just like this. Uh, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And register. Successfully registered. It is new user created today, 14 April. So the project was successfully implemented and tested. All the functionalities such as login, cart, and order placement are working from properly. The system provides accurate and efficient results. From this internship, I learned how to develop full stack web application, how to work with databases and APIs, how to debug and solve technical problems, and how to manage a project from start to completion. In conclusion, this project was valuable learning experience. I gained practical knowledge from MERN Stack development. I successfully developed a food ordering website with all required functionality. Lastly, I say thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you found it informative, and I will be appreciate if you give me the project completion certificate, the internship certificate. Thank you.